Hi, welcome to Megamed.in. Megamed is an online medical device company. We supply critical care and mobility equipment span India. Today we will be discussing one of the most popular and affordable BiPAP machines in Indian market that is manufactured by BMC Medical. BMC Medical is one of the best manufacturer of sleep and respiratory care equipments with the experience of more than 20 years. Model that we will be discussing today is BMC RESmart Y30T. This is the top of the range BiPAP machines from BMC, and this product is the best selling model in BiPAP systems from last 7 to 8 years. Now if we talk about BiPAP machines, how they work, so they help you push air into your lungs. You wear a mask that is connected to the device. The machine supplies pressurized air into your airways to improve ventilation. Now there are two variants of this product available in Indian market. One is BMC RESmart Y30T and another is Y25T. All features of these devices are same except the pressure range. Now let's discuss the clinical features of this model. There are major 5 modes available in this device. One is CPAP, one is S, then T, ST, and ST with volume guarantee. Pressure range in Y30 model is 4 to 30 cm of water in BiPAP mode, 4 to 20 cm of water in CPAP mode. In Y25T, 4 to 25 cm of water pressure range is available in BiPAP modes, and in 4 to 20 cm of water in CPAP mode. Now let's talk about the advanced clinical features of this device. First of all, there is ST mode with tidal volume. In this model, ST mode can be used with volume, in which device applies the target tidal volume and adjusts pressure automatically to achieve optimal respiratory support. Now then there is a leak compensation option available as well, in which when you're using PAP therapy with the mask, there are chances of unintentional leaks, and BMC Y30T is capable enough to compensate the leak to make therapy more effective. TI control is there. TI means inspiratory time control, that offers you to make adjustment in inspiratory time by choosing minimum and maximum limits. Now we all understand it's a medical device, so patients must use it at the recommendation of their doctor. What mode, pressure, tidal volume and inspiratory time has to be set, it will be prescribed by your doctor. Now let's talk about the comfort features of this device. There is RAM for extra comfort. BMC Y30T offers RAM function in which at the start of the therapy, device gives low pressure so patient can be more comfortable. Auto on and off is available. So to start the machine, all you need to do is connect the device to the power, connect the tube, connect the mask and start breathing, and device will automatically start. Once you take out the mask, leave it there for some time, device will automatically go into the standby mode. Now then there is humidification. This device comes with humidifier to maintain stable humidification throughout the therapy. There is Reslex option available as well. Now this function allows user to exhale better by reducing pressure by 1 or 2 cm of water at the time of exhale. Detailed reporting is also available through SD card, and there is an app-based reporting as well. You can just scan the reporting QR code from PapLink app and you will get all the details on your phone. For this, you have to contact your device supplier for more details. Now let's discuss how to maintain this device and how you can place order. You have to clean filter every 15 days. You have to change filter in every 6 months. You have to clean your humidifier every 15 days. You have to change your humidifier container every year. Now, in terms of tube and mask, you have to change both of these products in 8 to 12 months to ensure effective therapy and to reduce leakage. Now, one most important thing which is there, that you do not have to move any BiPAP or CPAP machine when you're using it with the humidifier and water is filled inside. Warranty of this product is 2 years. Now, if you wish to order this product, you can follow the link in the description, or you can place order through phone and WhatsApp as well. Phone number is also given in the description below. Delivery time in major cities of North India is 3 days and 4 to 5 days it takes in rest of India. We have multiple express shipping options available as well. In case you need this product early, you can talk to our support specialist and they will guide you with the process. We have multiple payment modes available on our website like cash on delivery, card, net banking, UPI and EMI. Apart from that, if you have any questions, queries, or you want to understand more about the device which will be more suitable to you, you can talk to our support representative. To understand and to know the price, you can follow the link in the description which will guide you to our website and you can see the latest pricing there. Thank you and have a good day.